Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Twitter post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the social media post section you can find the Twitter post option. Select the template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add images to your project, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search photos, and in the upload section you can upload the images from your device. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete this text and you can write your own text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find different objects, for example here you can find different objects. For example, click to the first, the ice cream, and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations which you can add to your project, and if you want to add music to your post, click to the music section. For example, tap to the summer section, and if you want to add the song, click to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.